Hey everyone, this is Jill Celeste from JillCeleste.com and the Celestial Circle. I teach purpose-driven entrepreneurs all they need to know about marketing so they can become the director of marketing for their business so they can attract more clients and make more money. A complaint I often hear from my members and students is this: Jill, I don't have time for marketing. I don't have enough hours in the day. And I get that because I'm a solopreneur too, and we have a lot of tasks on our plate, including client work, operations, bookkeeping, marketing, plus our personal lives. And it does feel like sometimes we don't have enough hours in the day for marketing. But really, we do. And in this blog post and video, I want to share with you 4 mindset shifts you need to go through to help you find time for marketing your business. So the first thing I want to touch on is why it's important to market your business. And I know this may seem like a no-brainer, but we often need to be reminded of why we are marketing. We are marketing so that we can find our ideal clients and serve them and then be compensated for our gifts. Remember, I always say you are the director of marketing for your business. And so what that means is you always find time for marketing, you have a marketing plan, and you are always prioritizing your marketing tasks. Another thing is if your business is not at full capacity, you should be marketing 4 hours a day at a minimum. Why so many hours is because marketing is the most essential task that you need to complete besides client care, right? So working with clients and marketing, if those are the 2 things you should be working on when you are building your business. So that's the first thing I want you to understand, that marketing is essential to your business. Without marketing, you will not have a business, okay? The second thing I want you to really fully understand is that I want you to pick essential tasks that will actually generate revenue. So many times entrepreneurs want to implement hundreds of things for marketing because they feel like that will reach the most people. You can do that when you're a big business because you have a team to help you, but when you are by yourself, you need to be super intentional with your time, which means picking maybe only 2 to 3 marketing tasks to implement. Not only will that help you achieve your goals, it will prevent you from spreading yourself too thin, which is when you find no time for marketing, right? So be intentional. Only pick the marketing tasks that will help you reach your goals. Everything else you can implement at a different time. The third mindset shift I really want you to understand is that I need you to get your marketing organized with a marketing plan and calendar. I can't tell you how many times I have seen disorganized marketing, chaotic marketing from people that I have helped. This may include dormant social media accounts, half-started marketing tasks, marketing plans that weren't really completed, and just kind of going willy-nilly, fly by the seat of the pants. That's disorganized marketing. And remember, you're the director of marketing for your business, so that won't fly. So I need you really to work on creating a marketing plan and using a calendar to help you with your marketing tasks. Now, with this blog post and video, I will include a link to a free download that is a really cool tool. It'll help you plan your daily marketing activities, what to work on, and what times to work on it. So I'll include that link. Download that tool to help you plan your daily marketing activities, and you'll feel so much more organized. And the fourth thing I want to talk to you about today is blocking time for your tasks. So many of us are good at making a to-do list, but that's really only half the job. If you look at the really successful entrepreneurs out there, they have their to-do list, but they also have times assigned to complete each task. So make sure that when you're looking at your calendar, you're blocking time not just for marketing, but for what tasks you want to complete during that time period. And that PDF I just mentioned, that has time slots in there to help you plan your day, not just with the to-do list, but also when to implement that to-do list. So make sure you download that because that will help you so much. So those are all the ways you can find time. Make time for marketing in your day. You can do this. I have so much faith in you. And if you need extra accountability, extra support, extra love, come check out the Celestial Circle at thecelestialcircle.com. This is what we do every day in the Celestial Circle. We help you reach your goals. We help you find time for marketing, all in a loving and supportive environment. I think you'll like it. So until next time, here's to your marketing success. I'm sending you lots of love. Have a great day. Bye-bye.